All right, we all saw it. Jake Paul got beat like eggs in a chef's kitchen. Jake spent all that time dodging Tank, and Anthony Joshua stepped in and reminded him why he's got Olympic gold. From the opening bell, and it didn't look like a boxing match, it looked like a master class. Jake was holding Joshua all fight, like a high school slow jam at prom, arms locked, no space, just vibes. And with that Hulk jacket energy, Jake clearly came in ready to wrestle. But Joshua came in ready to teach. This wasn't a fight. This was a high school teacher fighting a kid who skipped homework. Every time Anthony Joshua threw a punch, Jake Paul felt it like the Kool-Aid man busting through a wall. Oh yeah, now listen, like credit where it's due. Jake Paul did get in the ring. A lot of people talk, very few step between the ropes. But Joshua set Jake up like a game of spades. Strategic, patient, controlled. Then came the sixth round. Jake got clipped. He hit the mat, and his face said everything. That look wasn't pain. That look was, wow, that was only 50%. And yes, Jake, I'll give you this. You gave your best. You didn't win, but most people wouldn't even try. So here's the next step. Get in line. Fight Tank Davis next, because Anthony Joshua already showed you, this level is for the real professionals.